Welcome to another update here of, well, basically the Seagull Mazda 323 channel. We're going to install a Fidanza Short Throw kit and also adjust the camber. Some Whiteline camber bolts have arrived, so we're going to install them. I've got a special little tool to help the camber adjustment and leveling be more precise, so we'll do the step through. Yeah, so just those two things tonight that we're going to look at. But yeah, since the last few videos, the car's I've road tuned it and it's running really nicely. It's just these small little things to do tonight, and it should be a lot better. And then I can start enjoying the car a bit more and cruising out and seeing a few more cafes. So we'll crack on. So jack the car up, start off with, wheels off. Right, so with the camber bolt in and all facing the right way, fortunately DGR will give you a little line on the inside here to line up your tab washer so you know that it's set to negative. That's really handy. So that's quite a handy little thing there. As you can see, it's throwing it when you've got this new camber bolt in and it's going towards the positive. We want to spin this out to 0.5 for a negative, and that's the way we're going to set it all four wheels the whole way around. We're not track, we're streeting here. Well, I'm going to walk you through the last part of this video. I'm ostentatious, man. I don't know where Seagull is, but he's just a part-time rapper anyway, and a wannabe mechanic. I'm the person who does all the real stuff to this car. Just so that you know, ostentatious man, you're the one who does everything. Short shift is in, very easy. Not going to do a video on that because it's so easy, but I will throw up a picture and give you a bit of an idea about what you are looking at. I may roll under the car and show you as well. But basically this is what it looks like. Short, 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 short. Oh. Ostentatious man. Right, well, ostentatious man will take you under the car anyway, just to show you what the short shift should look like once it's in. Somewhere around there anyway. Look, I never said I was a cameraman, but basically I got you under the car for a look at it anyway. And as you can see from the inside, it's very good. That's what the camera looks like too. You can thank me later, Seagull. Thanks for watching another installment video on the Mazda 323. Like and subscribe if you like the Mazda BG series, in particular Familiar, Interplay or 323. Leave a comment. If you want to know any information about this car, Ostentatious Man will answer your questions, unlike Seagull. See you in the next one.